never second best. I saw the world thrashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always a mesh and lace. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. You should know more.
Si Kathleen, si Jolly, masiyahin.
First impression ko sa kanya, thoughtful, mabait.
She always see the good things in life.
Bakit? Tutangkad naman siya. 5'8" siya.
Kahit na may mga masasamang nangyayari.
Macho.
Napaka-positive na tao.
Maitim siya kasi mas maputi ako sa kanya. Tapos, handsome.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. I've seen some changes and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. Let's stop the world. I'll stop.
2001, second year high school ako.
Nakita kami sa school namin, school fair.
Pinakilala ko ni Chip.
Si Rio, yung common friend namin.
Pero sobrang bata ako pa nun.
First year college yata ako nun.
So, hindi niya rin ako pinansin, syempre.
Nung pinakilala, parang, okay.
I'll stop the world and melt with you. Let's stop the world. You've seen the difference and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do.
Tapos, after 2 years,
After 2 years, nag-meet ulit kami.
nakita kami ulit.
Kung siya niligawan, 4th year high school ako, tapos siya 3rd year.
3rd year college ako. Every time na pupunta siya sa bahay namin, lagi ako nagpasalubong.
Then on, tumagal kami ng 8 years.
Hindi niya nakakalimutan mag-text araw-araw. Parang lahat gusto niya ibigay sa'yo.
And I'll melt with you. Let's stop the world. Stop the world. Oh, stop the world. Stop the world. See, I'll melt with you. Yeah, I'll stop the world. I'll stop.
Sana maging ganun pa rin siya. Kung ano siya before, nung nagkakilala kami hanggang ngayon. Sana pag mag-asawa na kami, ganun pa rin siya.
Wala naman talaga ako ina-expect from him. Gusto ko lang, hindi siya magbago, ganun pa rin.
Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I am.
Sana magkaroon agad tayo ng baby.
Long run, nakakayanan naman niya kahit na medyo masaklat na yung mga nangyayari. Like, recently, na-operahan siya, sobrang lungkot.
Alam naman natin na isa na lang yung ovary ko, pero sabi naman ni doktora, magkakaroon pa rin naman tayo ng baby.
Sobrang dami na ng pagsubok na dumaan sa amin. Kinain namin lahat.
Para makumpleto na yung pinapangarap nating family.
Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I am young again. Whenever I'm alone with you, you make me feel like I am fun again. However far away
kasi inalagaan mo ko nung naoperahan ako. Hindi ka umalis sa tabi ko.
Ipakita ko pa kung ano yung mga pinakita ko sa kanya before. Hindi lang papantay, siguro kailangan mas sobra pa doon.
Ikaw nagpalakas ng loob ko. Kaya kinaya ko yung operation.
Siya talaga yung tingin ko na makakasama ko ng habang buhay.
Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you.